Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Crypto.XL. And we're live. This is not financial advice. Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, depending on when you're checking out the information here on these here YouTubes and the internets. This is Crypto.XL bringing you your crypto update and crypto news, what's going on in the market to alleviate your fears and to set things right as we sail aboard our crypto journey as we're on the voyage to success and to a higher place and a better place. All right, so to cut to the chase, what's going on? The market panic, sold on the way down. The market makers decided to liquidate all the leverage longs and everyone who is super bullish with the 20x leverage to the upside. So they put it to the downside. And not only did they put it to the downside, they broke out of the range. If you see this ascended triangle that I mentioned before and what I expected to happen, see, this is TA, right? This is technical analysis. This is what this means. This is what's supposed to happen. Because they know that traders look at these charts and they expect this to happen. Instead, they make this happen. They break down and they put it to the downside. So your 20x, your 40x, your 50x leverage gets wiped out and liquidated right here. I'm sure if you look at the liquidation charts, you're going to see a bunch of liquidated longs. So what does this mean? This means now that people went short here because we broke out of the triangle. So you close your long here because you're like, damn, I can't believe it went the other way. How far are we going to go? Low can we go? Let me see. No one knows how low we can go. So right around here, since we broke out significantly, you close your longs and you open up a short because you want to make money and you revenge trade, right? So if you had a 15x leverage long up here, you closed it around right here, and then you opened up a 20x leverage short right here. So what they're going to do now is they're going to push it back up here, and they're probably going to wick it out to the upside. You know, if I was a market maker and I was diabolical, that's what I would do. So that's probably what they would do. I don't know what they're gonna do. I'm not a superhero that could read people's minds. I'm not Professor X, using my machine and, looking into people's heads. But probably based on what I just saw here, them breaking this triangle to the downside, they'll probably break it to the upside and then come back into the range to completely piss people off and to make sure that you stop believing in altcoins and stop believing in altcoin season. Their plan is to completely destroy your bags, to half your portfolio, and to make you give up. And at that moment, I think, a lot of people are going to capitulate and give up their altcoins. And then once everyone is out of the market, once everyone gives up, and once everyone says, Bitcoin is the only thing that kept its above 100,000, everything else is down 50%. I don't believe in render anymore. Once all of that happens, that's when they're going to make it go parabolic, and you're going to see a 20x going up to the upside. Just my opinion, not financial advice. Just how I see the market. You do you. You can see things differently and believe that altcoin season will never happen again, and crypto is a scam, and give up. And I hate YouTubers, and life is not fair. And my mama didn't love me, and it's not fair, and I give up. You can do that. I mean, that's perfectly okay. That's fine. It's up to you. You do you. Shout out to everyone that was able to pick up some coins down here. Volatility might not be over. Maybe the coins suffer another 30% to the downside. Maybe they wick it up 40% and then they pull it back 50%. They're trying to mess with you guys. They're really trying to get into your head and make you give up your bags before the altcoin season of altcoin seasons, before the thriller of Manila, before the most epic comeback in all of crypto history, before the historical event of wealth that you'll be able to tell for generations. Before all of that happens, they're going to break you. So it's up to you to decide which side of the fence you're going to be on. You could be on the side of the fence that runs everything, or you could be on the side of the fence that capitulated and gave up on your dreams. What I would say to you is there is risk and nothing is guaranteed. You can lose money in crypto, and especially depending on the cryptos you hold. If you hold the worst coins in history, like Popcat or something like that, and it just keeps going down and never comes back up, or everything's going to come back. But if it just keeps going down and then underperforms, or maybe you buy a 1 million market cap coin and you put $50,000 into it, and then they rug pull. I mean, if you do that, again, look, you have to make the decisions. You have to make smart financial decisions. The only way you survive and you do well in this market is if you take responsibility for your decisions. But just try to think logically and to take your emotions out of the equation, right? Take your emotions out. I know we're having fun. I'm joking around and laughing and stuff, but this is people's money. You're putting a lot of money into the market. I think we all do. I think you're not supposed to put in money you're not afraid to lose, but everybody puts in money that they're afraid to lose. And because you're afraid to lose it, because you have that fear, you end up selling. Why am I laughing? You end up selling here. Why? Why in the hell are you selling here? Why? At least sell here. At least, you know what I'm saying? But again, man, I'm not your financial advisor, man. I'm not. That's my opinion in the market. Take responsibility for what you decide to do. I'm willing to take these risks because I feel like I can lose half my money, 50% to the downside or whatever. When these altcoins, Bitcoin goes down, the altcoins get completely wrecked. But when it starts doing this, right? When it starts doing this, I'm marking up the charts here. I'm getting emotional. When it starts doing this, right? When it starts doing this up here, okay? And then, why am I laughing? Because I'm seeing what's gonna happen. You guys don't freaking see it. You're scared, man. Get behind me, I'll protect you. Masculinity is not that. I got you. Get behind me. When it starts doing this, okay? And, hold on, Gaffy's $2.23. When it starts doing this, and Bitcoin dominance, where's Bitcoin dominance? And Bitcoin dominance is at 59.29%. You're wrong, man. You're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. All right, join that team. That's cool. I'll do me. So Bitcoin's going up to 60%, most likely. It's at 59.3. It can go up as much as it wants. It's cool with me because the higher they rise, or the faster they rise, is the faster they fall. So it's event, maybe it goes up to 60. There's some resistance here. Maybe it goes up more. Eventually, this thing's going to reverse. And you see when it reverses, hold on, let me scale this correctly. And you notice my computer is still laggy, right? I think it's because I have like 20 windows open. I'm like analyzing everything. I have literally everything open. I got Twitch, Twitter. I have like 100 tabs. Maybe I'll close it at some point, close down like some of these programs, and I get a more consistent video. But you guys don't care about that. You're not here for my OnlyFans. You're here for the crypto knowledge and wisdom. Anyway, so this is only a 10% drop. I don't mean this drop. I mean when Bitcoin dominance really drops, like how it did back here. This is 2017, and then this is 2021. Yeah, let's look at 2021 because we have lower returns or lower volatility because Bitcoin is getting bigger and bigger, and as things gets bigger, it takes more money to make it move. So this is about a 47 to 50% drop in Bitcoin dominance. So once this happens over here, okay, that's where you get your 50x from. But before this happens over here, you see this Bitcoin dominance dropping right here? Let me show you again. For those of you in the back that did not pay attention, or maybe my computer froze or something. So this 50% drop over here, right? It's going to happen again on the right side. So when it happens again over here, we're going to be in altcoin season. And when that happens, by the time that happens, a lot of people are no longer going to have altcoins, or they're not going to have a significant amount because they would have stopped believing in the 4-year cycle, and they would have stopped believing in altcoin season. So it's designed, the market is designed for you to not believe and to give up and to capitulate at the worst possible moment. That's what it's designed to do. So when that next big drop happens, people are simply not going to be in the market. And that's when you reap all the rewards, right? So that's when you're able to start selling and DCA out of your big positions. So am I concerned? Am I worried? No, I am not. I'm looking at this whole thing as a buying opportunity, and I'm going to be taking advantage of this. These coin prices are completely ridiculous. If you're looking for moonshots, things that could go completely parabolic, or you can lose all your money, not a financial advisor. If you're looking for things like 20x, 30, 50, like that's completely ridiculous returns, I'm going to give you a couple coins here. You can see them on the side. High risk, high reward convictions. Look at DEX check. It's near its all-time low. The chart's not as favorable as I would like. It looks completely ridiculous. But if you look at the high wick up here, this is at least a 10x, right? So I think we're going to go back to that and more. Then there's GameFi. I mean, these are such easy plays. GameFi could also skyrocket. And we're looking at almost, to get back to all-time highs, I think that's around an 8x or something. What else? GTAI is an easy play. It's performed well against Bitcoin. This is kind of an upwards. This is GTAI USDT, but if you look, this is a higher low here. So this looks good, even though it's broken down from the support. So you have to watch out. Okay, so there might be more downside, but still, it's performed well in the past. But pretty much it's just simple. Just look for coins that are good buying opportunities and coins that are performing well against Bitcoin. So those would be my two criteria. So I am not concerned. I see this as a buying opportunity. There might be more pain to come. I don't make the markets. I'm not the market maker, so I have no idea what they're going to do, but I don't really care. I just look at the 4-year chart and 4-year cycle, and if you zoom out, Bitcoin is on an upwards trend. So I'm not concerned about small-term movements. I'm seeing the small-term movements as an opportunity to get in, all right? So it's a red day. Red day means accumulation. Jupiter is at a discount. Jupiter started pumping recently. It's pumping really good against Bitcoin. You go and watch the Jupiter chart. Jupiter is a DEX and Solana. It's being used a lot. Trump coin has its coin on Solana. Solana is going to have an ETF. Guys, this stuff is actually pretty easy, right? You just have to destroy your fear. Get rid of your fear. If you feel scared, take that out of the equation, zoom out, and think about things logically. Are we in a bull market? Yeah, Bitcoin's still going up. What's the prospects for altcoins? Well, altcoins are accepted by the United States. It's about to be pumped by the United States. There are going to be many ETFs. There's talk of possibly having a Bitcoin reserve. There's going to be a Solana ETF, maybe an XRP ETF. American altcoins are going to be tax-free. The Congress, the House, the Senate are all pro-crypto. Are we going to have an altcoin season? Yes. The prior two cycles around February, Marchish, we've had altcoin seasons. One time it was in February, so most likely we'll have an altcoin season again. Is Ethereum going to go down forever? No, Ethereum versus Bitcoin is at its lows, and it's about time that it's going to start breaking out. Okay, so when should I acquire altcoins? You should acquire altcoins when they're at their lowest purchase price and when they're at their lowest based on their Bitcoin peer. Are we there now? Are they at their lowest point? Yes, they are. Okay, so you ask yourself the logical questions. And that means that when render is down 10%, it's probably a good time to accumulate. When this stupid coin, I don't even want to say the name, Fartcoin. When this is down 25%, if you believe in it, maybe you accumulate some. XCN was the most bullish coin ever. It's down 29%. You missed ADA. You can acquire some now. It's down 6%. Yeah, but I'm scared. I don't want to put my money in and it just keeps going down. I'm catching a falling knife. So you know what you do? Don't put that much money in. You just put a little bit in that you're not going to miss. So if it goes down another 30%, you're not going to cry over it, right? And you just DCA in on the way down, and that's how you beat the market. There's no other way to beat the market, right? If you think you're going to catch it right here, you're probably not. You could wait for a breakout. That's another thing, right? You could wait for a breakout, but that means that you lose out on like 40% to the upside, and then you wait for a pullback and buy that. Maybe if you're risk averse, that's actually a good strategy, right? So this pumped up 20%, it pulled back, but you don't notice the breakout, so that's not the best. So a confirmed breakout is here. Nope, you got to be higher. This green bar. So you see this green bar right here? You'd end up buying around right here. So you missed a lot of pump. You missed about 50% to the upside on Bitcoin. So at that time, your altcoins could have been up a couple 100%, and then you jump in. So you do miss the bottoms, but at least you're not down like you didn't get obliterated in your portfolio. And depending on the altcoin you pick up, you could be down 80% here, DCing in. So I'll let you make the decision. You do what's correct for you. I know for me, this is a perfect time to DCA in when the market's in fear, when we've broken out of a pattern, and when it seems like we might go lower, right? You could always wait for a sideways move. Like, let's see, GameFi. How would I approach GameFi? Let me look at the daily. I am on the daily, aren't I? What's going on here? Who stole GameFi? GameFi went to zero, guys. I don't see it anymore. Hold on. Give me a second here. Technical difficulties. I'm going to pull up GameFi again. We're in a monthly. When I put on a daily, it disappeared. It's because the chart, oh my gosh. It's because it's so small you can't see it. That's how small it is from the daily. Don't worry, guys. I'm an expert. So hold on. I don't like how it looks. I have to do so much editing to get this right. So GameFi broke support. You see this line right here, 2.5. I'm actually, to be honest, I'm surprised that it broke this. But what does that mean? That means if this keeps falling, this could fall down another 33% to $1.50. It's possible. Maybe it will. Maybe it comes back and retests this, and then maybe it goes back down to $1.40, or maybe it stops falling and starts heading up. But I'm a wait and see. So some of these cryptos, I'm a wait and see. But I will tell you one thing: if this goes back to $1.40, I'm selling the kitchen sink, and I'm going to get some GameFi, right? So the fear is opportunity. Only 10% of the people make any money in the market. You have to wire your brain contradictory to the majority of people if you want to make money. That's all I got for you today. Do check out the Patreon, find out what we're buying, when we're buying, and how we're doing. And manage your fear. Buy when others are fearful, and sell when others are euphoric. Manage your risk. I'm not a financial advisor. Some of these cryptos can go to zero. I'm not a fortune teller. Take responsibility for your decisions. Keep composed and zoom out and look at the big picture. This is Crypto.XL with your crypto news, and I will see you at the top. Peace.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Yeah.